Hello, my dear friend. How are you? I hope you will be nice. Welcome for you, the Pratiksha Education Point. Today we are study the most important question as a MCQ. The first question: which metal is liquid at the room temperature? Option A: sodium. Option B: mercury. Option C: aluminum. Option C: iron. Correct answer will be mercury. Question number two. Which non-metal is a good conductor of the electricity? Option A sulfur, option B phosphorus, option C graphite, option D iodine. Correct answer will be graphite. Question number third. The most abundant metal in the earth's crust is iron, copper, aluminum, zinc. The correct answer will be C as a aluminum. Question number 4. Which metal is the stored in the kerosene oil? Iron, copper, sodium, zinc. The correct answer C. Sodium. Sodium metal is the stored in the kerosene oil. Question number 6. Which gas is released when metal react with acid? Option A oxygen gas, option B nitrogen gas, option C hydrogen gas, option D carbon dioxide gas. Correct answer will be hydrogen gas. Question number 7. Which metal is used for making the electric wire? Option A iron, option B aluminum, option C copper, option C zinc. Correct answer will be copper. Copper is the metal is used for making the electric wire. Aluminum is the metal which is also used for the making electric wires. Question number 8. Which metal is the best conductor of the heat and electricity? Gold, silver, copper, aluminum. Correct answer will be silver. Question number 9. Rusting of iron is an example of reduction, oxidation, displacement, neutralization. Correct answer will be B. Oxidation. Question number 10. Which non-metal is essential for the respiration? Option A nitrogen, option B hydrogen, option C oxygen, option C chlorine. Correct answer will be C. Oxygen is the non-metal is essential for the respiration. Question number 11. Which metal is used to galvanize iron? Option A copper, option B aluminum, option C zinc, option D silver. Correct answer will be C. Zinc is the metal is used to galvanize iron. Question number 12. Which of the following metal does not react with water? Sodium, calcium, iron, gold. Correct answer will be gold. Gold is the metal does not react with water. Which non-metal is used to making fertilizer? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon, sulfur. Correct answer will be B. Nitrogen. Question number 14. The process of the coating iron with zinc is called alloying, Rusting, galvanization, electrolysis. Correct answer will be galvanization. Question number 15. Which metal is extracted by electrolyte reduction? Option A. Iron, copper, aluminum, zinc. Correct answer will be C. Aluminum. Question number 16. Which non-metal is used in water purification? Oxygen, chlorine, nitrogen, hydrogen. Correct answer will be B. Chlorine. Chlorine is the non-metal is used in water purification. Question number 17. Which property allows metals to be drawn into wire? Malleability, ductility, conductivity, sonority. The correct answer will be ductility is the property which allows metal to be drawn into the wire. Question number 18. Which metal is used in the thermite welding? Option A copper, option B zinc, option C aluminum, option C iron. Correct answer will be aluminum. Question number 19. Which non-metal is present in all organic compounds? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon, sulfur. Correct answer will be carbon. Question number 20. An alloy of the copper and zinc is called option A bronze, brass, steel, solder. Correct answer will be brass. So thank you so much nice. Please like, share and subscribe the video.